Zhengzhou Vtops Machinery Co Limited is located in Zhengzhou of Henan province, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our cooperation factory has a self-built 16,000 square meter plant. The factory design and manufacturing various packaging machines such as auger filling machine, vertical form fill seal packing machine, pick fill seal packing machine, labeling machine, and other packaging machines. We have a number of product trademarks, proprietary technology patents, CE certification. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa, Oceania, America, Europe. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Your satisfaction is our motivation. We encourage you to bring your filling needs to us and give us the opportunity to provide you with exactly what you need. We know that your products and business are valuable, and when you choose one of our systems, you are making a choice of guaranteed excellence. Warmly welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us for common success.